All right, hello bonus math group. So today I want to welcome a couple new members. We actually have a couple new members joining us. What we've been working on, those of us that have been doing this for a week now, is we've been working on our multiplication, but we've been working on our standard algorithm for multiplication. So it's kind of like one step above area model, and it's probably about the fastest way you can do multiplication. So those are of you that are new, you can go back to last week, you can scroll down and kind of look at some of the assignments that we've done last week. Those of you that are not new, I had talked to Miss Donovan, and so we kind of tried to map out a little bit of what we were going to do. And so I want to share that with you because it's your education. So we're working on fractions currently in class, and eventually we're going to start to get into some of the 5th grade fraction stuff. But first, we're going to learn the base of 4th grade first. So we're going to learn our base in 4th grade, and then a little bit down the line, we're going to start doing some 5th grade things for fractions. In the meantime, Miss Donovan said that some of the hardest things to do in class that she wants us to really know is how to do multiplication. She said 5th grade is going to be a lot easier if you can do multiplications like problems like this fast. So we're going to keep practicing them for a while. Today, I've noticed I've added another digit this way, and it'll be just like the homework today. And I know it's not the most exciting thing, but believe me, this is going to make next year way easier if you can do multiplication like this right off the bat. And so we're going to go over, for some of our new friends, an example of how to do our standard algorithm. And then I'm going to let you guys loose on this. And we're going to be practicing multiplication for probably, for sure, the rest of this week, and maybe a week or two, when we come back from Thanksgiving as well. Just to get it down, just to get the practice, just to become familiar with using this method. I'm going to be adding numbers as we go, and we'll be talking about how it works and why it works like that. So this is what we're going to be working on for a while, and then we will get into fraction stuff, and that's exciting, and I'm excited to get you guys that head start for 5th grade fraction stuff, because my daughter's taking it now. It's kind of difficult, but I believe that you guys can do it. So let's get to our problem like this. Those of you that have been doing this for a while, follow along. Those of you who are new, I recommend going to last week and looking at Monday's video. There's a Khan Academy, I know, not the funnest, but it explains how to do it much better than Mr. B does, but we'll try to do it together anyway. So when we're doing the standard multiplication, it's kind of like addition. Like we're going to start here with the ones, and we're going to multiply 3 times 4. And 3 times 4 is 12. We should know that. 3 times 4 is 12, but since it's the one spot, I can only put one digit in the one spot. I'm going to put my 2 here, just like we would for addition, and I'm going to put my 1 up here. And now I'm going to do 3 times 5. And that gets me 15. So 3 times 5 is 15. Sometimes if you want to write it down here, you can. And now I need to add 15 plus that extra 10. Because we have 15 tens plus 1 extra 10 is 16 tens. Right? 15 plus 1 is 16. But I cannot put 16 in my 10 spot. I can only put one digit there. So I'm going to put my 6 there. I'm going to put my 1 up there. And now I'm going to do 3 times 4. And 3 times 4, again, we already know is 12. So you can write that right down there if you need to. 12, and that don't forget this 1 I need to add up here, and it's 13. So I'm going to write my 13. But again, I can't write, I have 13 100ths. I can't write 13 in my 100 spot. I can write a 3, and if you look, there is nothing else. There's no thousands to add, so I can just add it down here. So 454 times 3, using the standard algorithm, is 1,362. So today I want you to practice this. Hopefully as we practice, it's starting to get smoother and smoother. Friday's assignment is probably going to be, instead of just 3 digits, it might be 4 or 5 digits out. We will see. But it should be the same process. So if you have questions, come to my office hours or come to Miss Keller's office hours. If Miss Keller has a question, because she doesn't always know, because this is just something I'm doing, she can give you my office hours. Actually, you know what? I'll put in office hours in the link on the home page, so you can just click on that and it'll bring you right to my office hours. Boom, we just solved that problem. So, any question you guys have, come to office hours. Again, Miss Donovan, who's the advanced math teacher, she says, practice, practice, practice. And so that's what we're gonna do for this for a little bit, to get really comfortable with it, and then we won't have to go back to those silly area models and stuff like that. So, hopefully this makes sense to you. Welcome new members. Welcome to our little club, and I will see you guys in class. Bye.